am back with another wig review, and today I am going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig here by Sensationnel, Game Changer, in a color 1B burgundy. Okay, all right, let's unpackage her. Okay, here's a look at this gorgeous, kinky, curly wig. She is beautiful. And what I like too is that it's dark rooted all the way through. Okay, she's not shedding too much at all. That is a plus. Okay, so let me put this on and I will be back. Okay, I am back and I am like super duper like loving this color. Okay, burgundy is definitely a favorite color of mine. Okay, I absolutely love the ombre burgundy color a lot. Love it. Okay, like I said, it doesn't shed that much at all. It's just really gorgeous, realistic looking. Now I also have this unit in like 3 other colors, and I will be doing the review separately. So if you would like to see that, you have to watch them separately, because your girl needs some watch time. Okay, so I'm not going to just put them all together. No, 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 not this time. So this is the hair to the side, the back, and the other side. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up for this review. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. And if you have, I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate each and every last one of you, your support and all that. And I just thank you again for watching Princess Beauty TV. I will be back with another wig review. Thank you so, so much. Have a blessed and prosperous day. Bye-bye.